Welcome back to my channel, and thanks for clicking on the video. I've mentioned many times in past videos that I like to give back to nature. I've cleaned up other people's garbage out in the woods. I picked bottles. I've scattered thousands of tree seeds in the woods and in the back field behind my house. I also build habitats for wildlife, and that's what I'm doing again today. I'm going to be building a bunch of these birdhouses. I simply went online and typed in birdhouse plans, and you'll find hundreds of designs for birdhouses and everything you need to know about building them and mounting them. It's a great beginner woodworking project. You don't need a lot of tools. Last night I picked up some paneling nails, and one tool you might not have is a hole saw set for making the hole in the front. I had some more scrap wood that was getting thrown away at work. I picked it up, and last night I pre-cut all the pieces for my birdhouse. This is all the backs, the roof, the sides, the bottom, and the front. Back in 2015, my dad was living in an elder's lodge, and I could tell he missed building things. So I picked up a couple of birdhouse kits, the kind where the pieces are already cut, you just have to glue them and assemble them. And my dad built a couple of homes, kept him busy, and that was back in 2015, and I still have those two birdhouses in the backyard, and sparrows move into them every single year. I have a total of 5 birdhouses, 2 bird feeders, a bird bath, and a pond, just to help out. Last night I started building these, and I ran out of paint, so all I have left is some green paint and some orange paint, which is fine. I don't think the birds are going to be too fussy. I kind of want them to be colorful and stand out so I can keep an eye on them. And one thing you could do is get the kids involved. Once you're done building them, and you can get them to paint them, decorate them, make it a kind of a family project. And one more thing I'm doing today is building some bat boxes. You can find the plans for these online as well. They're not overly complicated to build. So I'm going to get to work on these birdhouses. I actually have some hot glue. It kind of helps hold everything in place while I'm nailing it. So here are my finished birdhouses. You can see there's a slight change of plans with the paint job. I wasn't a fan of the green and orange, so I went in the house, found some craft paint, mixed up some different shades of gray and just kind of try different painting techniques, flicking the paint at the birdhouse until I achieved something that looks more natural. I thought these are going to be going out in the woods. They should probably look more natural. I did number them, so I want to keep track of them. See if anything's moving in. So tomorrow I'm going to get my 6-foot ladder, my cordless drill, and go for a drive, find a nice tree line, and mount all these birdhouses. So I found a good place for my birdhouses. It's not too far from the road. Good tree line, close to a field. I'm gonna have them all facing east. And finally, the bat house.